All right, how are you guys this night? It's kind of late, but I think I'll make my 2 cents, and then for those of you that have the money and willing to invest based off of my ideas or taking a look into the market based on your own stocks and your own portfolio, have at it. So, obviously, I have just CNBC up right now. As you can see here, Johnson and Johnson, they had the approval from the government to, have the COVID vaccine go into the market. Looking at there, I'm just kind of glancing over different type of markets, guys. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just to give you a little bit of insight. Even though with Johnson and Johnson they have the okay to start to use their vaccines, I mean the stock price over the year has gone up, but recently it's kind of gone down here. So I think it would probably be a good time to buy because they just got approval to use their vaccine, and overall their value in their company is in an upward trend. Um, as I jump through a couple other, and this is going to be a very short video, just looking at high level, different kind of stocks, different type of markets. Oh, this is interesting. SPAC. So this is special purpose acquisition companies. So basically, hedge fund managers or people that have a lot of capital or people that have a nice amount of money to invest, like celebrities, they're getting involved in these SPACs because, as an example, SPACs have the ability to basically form a company, then raise capital to basically have an acquisition to transpire, like Lucid Motors or a couple other companies that's out there, and then divide that profit amongst that acquisition back to all the investors. So, this is something interesting. I'm trying to look into this and find, you know, a SPAC company to invest in based on, the week trend or maybe even 2 week trend for that specific SPAC. So, I'm not touching Lucid Motors because they're, I'm more of a fan of Tesla, but I'm sure there are a couple other ones that's out there that I can focus on. So if you're interested in these, I would say take a look at them and see if you can find one that is involved in an acquisition that is going to pan out positive for your investment. I've spoken to a couple friends and family of mine about commodities. Gold is on a downward trend. Don't get confused with a downward trend meaning not buy. Downward trend means it's a downward trend. If you buy the downward trend, you have more of a chance to reap profits on the trend coming back up for you. So gold is going down here, as you can see. I haven't dove into this to figure out more details if it's going to be on an upward trend later on down the line. And then we have silver. Man, look at that. So upward trend here. This is last year, so this is kind of like 5 year snapshot. So this same time last year, it was here at about 14.5 or 14.50, and now you're about 27. So maybe it's a good time to buy some silver. Uh, Water. I haven't dove into water investments, water companies, right? So I have to take a look at that. And then, the popular companies, like companies that are in the weed industry or pharmaceutical, type industry for weed itself. I need to dive into this a little bit more. This is one company that I had invested in just because it was a good idea at the specific time. But I think this one in particular, I lost some money on. I don't have my portfolio, my penny stock portfolio information open right now, so I can't remember what it was exactly. But I think that right now these companies here I'll stay away from. I'm going to take a look at some SPACs. I'm going to take a look at gold. I can buy me some silver. It's pretty inexpensive at $26. I might look again at Johnson& Johnson, maybe buy a little bit of Johnson& Johnson. And right now, I have the ability to purchase some stocks on Webull because, I have the ability to, if your account is under 25,000, you can invest. So Webull, I can. E-Trade, I cannot, up until about Wednesday. So I got a little bit of time to do a little bit more digging and figure out what kind of investment plays, penny stock plays, day trading plays I want to do. All right, guys, on to the next video. Again, shoot me a text, email, message if you have some questions. And hopefully, a little bit of this information help you in making some of the decisions on some of your trading for this next week in the short term or in the long term. See you guys.